Yo my people, welcome back to another gameplay of Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart. Bro, so the last episode we were battling a yellow fan virus thingamajiggy. So that's why we're here in this spaceship thingamajiggy right now. So yeah, it was a lot last episode. So now we have to find a power source. I don't know where to find the power source. Hello puzzle, I guess. Okay. Okay, so we did that. Okay, let's go. Yeah, I have a feeling we're gonna fight that Zeus, bruh. Zeus will. So, let's die.
This must be where they generate the forge's power. But there is nothing here. Is Junkbot messing with us?
I don't know, but if the power source really is missing, we could grab the one in the other dimension.
The one with an entire station looking for us?
Until we have a better solution. Now,
Okay.
let's find us some Blizon.
I don't know what that does. Real? I don't know what that does, dude. Okay. That seems dangerous. Also, this looks very apocalyptic if you think about it. Look how this bruh is laying here, no? Can you get this bro here? Look how he look. It looks like he's been ripped apart in the middle. Look there. Look, just look. Crazy, bro. But anyway, let's go look for that power source thingamajiggy, whatever it is. Let's get some out. Let's get all of them boxes, bro. Let's go. Oh, I see somebody moving. I told you we're gonna fight Zeus. I told you, bruh.
Is that?
Oh my days, we're gonna fight Zeus now. I'm scared, bruh. Hello?
Weapons don't even phase him.
I knew it, we're gonna fight him. What was he even eating? He has nothing. He has nothing there. What was he even eating? Ah! Oh, whoa. Wait, where's my shadow bomb? My shadow bomb has to work.
Stop shooting and run!
No. Okay, he doesn't get phased.
Right that it is full of Slurpee on jelly? Juice must be hungry. Quick, now is our chance to escape.
Oh, so he licks stuff. He's a weirdo. Well, okay. Let's run.
You know, for some reason, the dimension where the whole station's searching for us keeps looking better and better.
At least they have a light on there.
So we're starting this off like horror type. Okay, nice. Lovely. Let's just go.
What's that sound?
Just keep moving.
Just keep moving. What you mean just keep moving? My boxes,
Ratchet,
bruh.
I do not see Blizon anywhere. The only place left to look is through the next blast door.
Yeah, before I
but it
go
seems
there.
very locked.
What if we follow those cables above us? Maybe we can power down the locks.
I think you are right. This time.
I just ran here, bruh. I don't know if it's the right way.
Huh. This lock's controlled by a bolt crank. Guess they didn't get around to upgrading this room.
He has not spotted us. Yet.
Oh my days. Am I really battling? Yes, bro. Okay. I see a rift up there, no? My thing is, how do I get to it? Rift me. Rift me? Bye.
Run!
Ah! Why, bruh? Okay, wait, I'm gonna wait for him to come to my platform, no? And then I jump back. Because I feel like that's the only thing that's gonna work. Come here. Come here. Oh!
No jelly canisters anywhere, but there are rifts.
Ratchet, escape juice using the rift.
I'll need to time it just right.
Come. Here we go. Let's go. Guys, right behind me. He's right behind me. Okay.
How'd he get here so fast?
There are vents everywhere.
Come here. Because I know there was a jelly thing. Oh my days, I'm dying. There was a jelly thing in the Ziggy. Come here by me. Come here by me.
Ratchet, you are just making him mad.
Look. Run. Why did I turn this into horror, man? Damn. Okay, wait, where am I? Okay. Am I doing this all over again? Oh, no. I don't think I am. Am I? Am I doing this all over again, bruh? Okay, doesn't look so good. Very good. Yeah, let me just get my boxes quickly. But I can't believe they put horror in this. I actually got scared, man. I'm not gonna lie. I actually got scared. Give me some bolts. Here's some more boxes. There we go. Whoa. Let's go.
Error. Biohazard detected.
Huh?
Oh.
Amoeboids.
Why is there always something wrong? It can never be. Oh, I finally made it after struggling against a flippin' juicy, bruh. Then you come in. Oh, nah, there's an error. It needs bananas. Bruh, let me...
Not again.
Let me just live life, alsjeblieft.
What is with the light?
He's right there.
Who's right there? Oh, no. Out of my damn way.
Biohazard resolved. Systems online.
Okay, I need to put that thing on before he comes.
That computer just turned on. Can we take a look? There is a researcher.
Let's go.
Let us watch.
Lock release. Blast door unlocked. Fine. See if I can.
Okay.
Resuming playback on station log.
Come here! Okay, look out past the reef. I just saw it playing around and look! You see it? How does it swim like... Oh! Is that a hello? Wait, what are you guys doing? You're hurting it! Stop! Stop this right now! Stop!
That was Jumpbot?
And I think he was talking about juice. Let's get out of here!
I'll never forget my boxes, bro. I'll never forget my boxes.
Almost there.
All right. If I were Blizon, where would I be?
I can't wait to buy a new weapon because I have 26,000 bolts, bro. So I can't wait to buy a new weapon. Swimming.
Ratchet, are you okay?
Yeah. Luckily, my O2 filtrator still works. Hadn't tested it in years.
Oh, let's go. Okay, so we're underwater. Okay, I didn't see this coming.
I have been thinking about what you said earlier about the llama
No, my boxes, my
and
boxes.
risking a good life. I had a good life on Savali. It was peaceful, quiet, even joyful. So when you asked to become partners, I did not want to risk things either. But I am glad I did.
Thanks, Kit. That means a lot. But I'm just not sure
It is okay. Now I can be the one who believes in you.
Oh my days, okay. Give me some ratatouille. My boxes. Yeah! But these stuff are underwater even. Can y'all just leave me alone? Real talk. Hi. Out of my damn way. Out of my damn way. Open. Hello. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Why? Wait. Out of my damn way.
Come back when the shooting stops.
Ooh. That was intense, but I'm not gonna lie. I died so many times and did so many things. But anyway, let's go.
You two want some new gear?
Cold
I've
snap.
got a special discount. If Zircon Jr. wants to study existential economics at Bogon University, then by goodness, I will make sure we can afford it.
Then one person took at a time.
Yielding blocks of ice. Watch as they helplessly slip and slide around. Taking more damage.
That looks nice, I'm not gonna lie.
Ridiculous.
That looks nice. Okay, so we got 27,900, bro. And the cold snap is just 20k.
Looks like you got enough for that beauty.
Okay. Buzz blades. Ooh, the buzz blades look very good, see? But let's see what it does, because I forgot. Let's see.
By a million cuts of buzz blades. This classic but effective tool of destruction sends razor sharp projectiles bouncing around.
Okay, so it's almost just like Ricochet. Sure, why not? Wait, we got the
Well, I
Bombarder
cannot wait to sell you that one.
and the Wormwanger. Okay, yo, I really want to buy the Buzz Blades.
Buy it while
I'm gonna
you
do it.
can, sweet cheeks.
I don't care, I'm gonna do it. I have 400 left. 400. Okay, 23 of this. Okay, let's go.
More
Buzz
power
blades.
is always a good thing.
Here we go. Next, Mr. Fungi. Do this. Here we go.
Nice mod, huh?
Ricochet. Oh, Ricochet is full. I thought it's not full.
Level this bad girl
Um,
up for access to more upgrades.
Here we go. The Negatron is basically done. With the Void Repulsor, let's do this. Here we go, and the last one we can put on Mr. Fungi. Ah, we climbed the Enforcer. Here we go.
Leave it so soon.
Woo! Buzz Blades fire. Now that was quiet. Okay, that's on the other page, so let's change back to this. There we go.
There is an increased magnetic field here. The power source must be nearby.
We just decorate the floor with them. I have it in my sight.
Why are they even here? Let me test out the buzz. The boss battles are doing nice, I'm not gonna lie. Let's use the voided ball so quick. Come. Come. Do it. Ooh. Again. Again. Oh, wait. I only got 9%. 0%. Yo, that was quick, bruh. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a damn way. I'm a damn way. I'm a damn way. Ow, man. I'm a damn way. Hi. How are you doing? Let me introduce you to my little friend, bro. No. I'm a damn way. What are you doing? Stupid ass. Okay, there's more that side. I'm a damn way. Go. 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 Who wants more? Who wants more? Before I go there, I saw some boxes. I saw some boxes somewhere. Damn! Oh, so they're throwing grenades now. Okay. So there's no boxes there. There's some boxes here. Let's go. Here we go. Give me some damn boxes, bro. Okay, here's some hidden boxes. Let's go. What's down here? Oh, here's more boxes. This was just the other side. Okay, there's nothing here. Never mind, here is. They miss me, bruh. I was doing my boxes and they still missing me. There's even more boxes here. I timed that very wrong. Let's go! Vamos! Oh, there's more. I didn't see them. Out of my damn way. Out of my damn way.
The power source
Out of my damn way.
is juice?
We should free him. Look at what they put him through. No wonder he is so angry.
No wonder.
We come in peace, big guy.
Okay, where do I go inside?
Is that a happy hiss or an angry hiss? He's helping us? He's helping us! Man, that's a relief.
Out of my damn way. Here we go.
We've got incoming juice! You can't even understand me?
Here we go.
Only bringing in the big guns, huh?
Elite security
That's still our
detail.
big guns.
Okay, okay. Why? Bruh, these men are everywhere. These men are everywhere. I'm annoyed. These men are everywhere, bruh. What do we do?
Coming.
You will not stop the Emperor's vision!
Nah, Zeus was helping. I'm not gonna
You
lie.
wouldn't happen to know another way to
Zeus was
power up the
helping.
Ruby on Forge, would ya?
That
Does
man
he
was
want us to
helping.
follow him?
Wait, I'm now by you. Okay, I don't need anything. Okay, let's go. Zeus helped us a lot there, bruh. Because I was gonna be a gone if he wasn't there.
The breeze on.
Wait, is there
He wants
something
to
on
come
top?
with us.
Any place is better than here, right? Maybe he can help us power the forge after all.
Let's go.
Still with us, Juice?
Come on. The Ruby on Forge is upstairs.
Come on, JC!
Okay.
Good old JB! Wow.
Okay.
Restored to maximum level.
Schematics uploaded.
Did it work?
That worked.
Yes, we did it, kid! You are a good partner.
Let's go.
Here is to new friends.
Return
Looks
to
like
the surface.
we just need to get back to our ship now.
Oh, this elevator can take you right back to the surface, no problem. Come back soon, Ratchets and kiddos.
Thanks, and will do. Junkie.
Chunky funky. Let me just see if there's more boxes.
Whoa, man. Goodbye, Junkbot. Hello, Junk.
Let's go.
Clank! Rivet! We built the Dimensionator!
No way! Wait, we?
I knew
Ooh.
you could do it. We have obtained the phase quartz as well.
Yeah, meet us in Zerky so we can build this thing.
Oh,
Let's go.
how do I meet someone?
What are you talking about? You met me, and that went great.
I fell off the archives in front of you and screamed. A lot.
True. I don't know, just be friendly and open. And don't overthink it.
Don't overthink it. Okay.
Here we go. Gonna meet Rivet in a andere broer. Oh, so we should go back here.
Guess it's time to fix the dimensions.
Let's go.
I wonder how Rivet's doing.
Sucks to the brie. Cause you know
Hi,
me.
Ratchet. I'm Rivet. Nice to meet you.
What are you doing?
Sorry, I'm actually hyped right now. I'm actually hyped that Rivet. I'm actually hyped right now that Ratchet and Rivet are gonna meet mekaar. And then Clank's gonna see the other robot and he's gonna be like, hey yo, you look just like me. And then, you know what I mean? I'm hyped. I'm hyped.
Just
I'm hyped.
thinking about building the Dimensionator and saving the universes.
Are you nervous about meeting Ratchet?
What?
Yeah, a little.
Let's
He is
go.
friendly, I promise. And once we build the Dimensionator, he will help us find Dr. Nefarious.
Right.
Bye.
Guess our adventure's coming to an end, Bolts. You two and Dr. Nefarious will be back in your own dimension in no time.
Yo, we go. Let's go. Yo, we go, bro.
What's it? Hey.
Hey! Yes, hi. I have Clank.
Oh, pal.
I am fine, Ratchet. In fact, I am beginning to like my new look.
For the record, I found him like this.
Come on, I knew you wouldn't hurt Clank. Pretty sure you're me, after all.
Wait, what makes you so sure you're not me?
Well, I mean, come on,
You got nothing.
yeah, I got nothing. Oh, sorry. Rivet, this is...
Kit, I have been looking forward to meeting you.
Me too.
If I say what I think.
I suppose it is time to fix this mess.
Let's go.
Do you want to,
Yo, we go. Tag team, bro. Tag team, bro. I take it so off.
Thank you.
Wala, that sacrifice I made, bruh.
Dr. Nefarious.
Does this dimension love me or what? My problems deliver themselves right to me.
how many times you beat this guy?
Clearly not enough.
Can I try?
Be my guest.
We're gonna fight.
What are you doing?
Damn, let's go. Let's go. There's a proper boss fight now. Oh, whoa, relax. Why is you so moody? Wait, what weapon? Okay. No, that's not the weapon. Oh, okay. Okay, I got it.
Another Lombax? Ah, good thing I don't lose in this dimension.
We'll see about that.
Damn, I thought that was gonna get him. Oh, wait. Set the blast. Oh my gosh, bruh. How do I... Come. Okay.
You think yourself?
Come to me, bruh.
Let's turn up the heat.
Oh my days. Not this again.
Be as adaptable as
Whoa.
insufferable. Just wall already.
Whoa.
Let me enjoy my reign.
Yeet. Where am I going?
This is not looking good. I've got it covered. I'm totally fine.
Ooh. That gave me glance. Let's go.
What did you do with the Emperor?
Nice boxes. Give me health. Give me health.
I am.
Yep, definitely buying that.
Flip, what do I do? Flip it, man. Wait. Wait. Here we go. Yeah.
Not let you,
We got him.
Ratchet or Clank.
Come in. Here we go. Now, put it down.
Take
Here we go.
My newfound glory
Here we go. What do I do next?
away from me.
Another one. That leaf blower is helping by a lot. That leaf blower is helping by a lot. Wait, I need health. I need health, bruh. I need health. You must come down, that's all I want. You must just come down. Come down. Come my way. Come my way. Yeah. I think that's enough. Come. Here we go. Now. That's it. Zet hem. Set the blasting. Set the blasting. Set the blasting. Set the blasting. Ooh, we got it covered, bro. Okay, now I need leaf blowing health thingamajiggies, but I don't have, so that's not good. Ricochet, maybe?
How about a change of scenery?
Yeah, I like this, but let me. Oh no.
So this one's
Oh my gosh, bro.
Flying front door. Are we on Sargasso? Yep, this is where I'm from.
Here we go. I need to defeat this thing.
you're just chatting, but pretend I'm not a threat.
Oh my gosh, okay. Whoa. Yeah, I need help. Here we go. You got it. You got it. Negatron, Negatron, Negatron. I see Shadow Bomb. Give me some Shadow Bomb. Here we go. Flip. I'm stressed. Let's go. I got it. I got it. I got it. Here we go.
Remember, more brilliant and powerful than ever.
I need leaf blowing stuff. Where's Nefarious? That's him. Yeah. I don't have any leaf blowing stuff. Oh no. I'm doomed. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. Look. Look. Come. Go. What do we do next? What do we do next? Negatron maybe? Negatron. Whoa! Lightning rod maybe? Since when did he have powers? What was that sound? Since when did bro have powers? I need set the bomb and that leaf thing in order to kill him, bruh.
That's it. I'm gonna send you into the heart of a supernova.
There we go, another one. Wait. What am I damn boy? Look.
Just for a taste of power, huh?
I can't wait to defeat you and Ratchet in front of your my adoring fans.
He kill his own people. Stupid. Let's go. Give me set the bomb, please. That's not what I want, man. Where is he? Okay. Hi. You see, this would have been the perfect thingamajiggy for Shatter Bomb, but I don't have. Mr. Fungi, help me out. Oh, flip. Here we go, Mr. Fungi. Here we go, Mr. Fungi. Here we go, Mr. Fungi. There we go, Mr. Fungi. We got him. We almost got him, bro. Oh, flip you. Stupid. Got him. Yes. Do this. Run, run. More health. Run, run, run. More bullets. Okay. He's near. Flip. We got him. That's not affecting him. My bullets are not affecting him. Let's go! Vamos! Let's go! Damn! We did it! And there Ratchet come. Why do I have a guess we're gonna fight against each other now? Or is he gonna help me or what? Is this the air costume? Is this the air costume?
Wow! What a battle! Are we done having fun? Come on! Give it up for Rivet and her first victory! I wish I could have been here sooner. However, I am thrilled to announce that I finished neutralizing my enemies. With the exception of Captain Quantum. And... anyway, when I heard that the Rebel Lombax was battling me, I had to...
Come here, the universe, celebrate your defeat?
Who's celebrating? You mean them?
No!
Wait!
Damn!
Fighting rebels for years. Let me help you wipe them out.
That was crazy.
My, strange
That was
fan wants
crazy.
to assist. Tantalizing. Why don't we make this interesting? A home game, perhaps?
It's going to Sargasso. I have to get there first.
We're coming with you.
Ratchet, we must find Quantum. He is the last rebel on that list.
Go to Ardolis and find Pierre. He'll take you to him.
Wait. If we are going to face the Emperor, we should gather as many resources as we can.
You're right. Maybe a good idea to hit the arena before we go.
If I say what I think... Okay. I can do silver now. Let's go silver. Ooh. Let's do this one. Let's just do this one and then we can get it on with. You know what I mean?
Little Zircon spotted the remains of our star.
What is that?
Meet the Mangler. Reborn!
Oh my god. Whoa! That thing is coming, bro. Okay, at least we know when the Mangler comes. Let's go. Hi. Oh man. Ah! Ooh, almost. We got it. We got it. We almost died, but we still got it. Let's go, wave 3. Hi. What's he gonna do, bro? Let's go.
Power limiter. Nothing can hold you back now.
Nowhere to go, Lombax!
There we go. Got it. Got it. Let's go. That was easy. That was easy. We got it, bro. We got it. All the balls coming my way. Let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna do that one. Let's go. Bro, what do you... Okay, let me go to Xerxes. Because maybe I should get this stuff. You know what I mean? Where is Xerxes? I swear I saw. Brass is not here. Bruh, they really want me to complete this stuff. I really don't want to complete this stuff, bruh. We are going to be ending it here, guys. We're going to complete this stuff the next episode. This episode was pretty fun. It was pretty wild. It was pretty crazy. You know what I mean? So we're going to continue this game on the next episode. I don't know what episode it is, but maybe, just maybe, I will complete this game in one video. Maybe, I'm still deciding. But yeah, that's gonna end the video, guys. If you enjoyed this video and if you want to see more, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe.